So, am I supposed to introduce the music of Purani Jeans?
Yes, sir.
Alright, fantastic. First of all, I'd like to thank Anushri, I'd like to thank the Lullas for believing in me, and I'd like to thank Eros for doing such an incredible job with Purani Jeans. I think Purani Jeans is one of those films that's got really high visibility right now. You know, there's one album out there right now that has Navraj Hans, Sona, KK, Mika, and occasionally myself as well singing. So yeah, without further ado, I'd like to get the singers on stage.
Let's get on stage. The one and only Navraj Hans. This is a song which is very close to both our hearts.
Yeah.
Jind Meriye.
Thanks to Ram Sampath sir for giving me this opportunity. Eros, and I'm honored to be here sharing this stage with such legends. Mika Paji, KK sir, Sona ji, thank you sir. ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਗਾਣਾ ਗਾ ਲਈਏ ਜੀ ਫਿਲਮ ਦਾ ਤੇਰਾ ਹੀ ਨਜ਼ਾਰਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜਿੰਦ ਮੇਰੀਏ ਕਰ ਦੇ ਇਸ਼ਾਰਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜਿੰਦ ਮੇਰੀਏ ਤੇਰਾ ਹੀ ਨਜ਼ਾਰਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜਿੰਦ ਮੇਰੀਏ इशारा मैनू जिंद मेरी खो के तेनू मेरा ते जहान खो गया है मिल जा दोबारा मैनू जिंद मेरी तेरा ही सहारा मैनू जिंद मेरी नी कर दे इशारा
Thank you so much. Once again, a round of applause for
Thank you.
Navraj Hans. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
So, well, as you know that no love story, or in our case,
Love triangle, no points for guessing, is complete without the third angle, which is the
girl. We want to introduce on stage. She is Bollywood's latest import.
the Brazilian.
Yes. प्यार से हम इसे ईशा भल्ला बुलाते हैं. The very very pretty Brazilian, the one and only Isabella. हम सब की लैला Isabella. Please come on stage. So Isa, how's it going?
All good. I'm really happy to be here with all of you. Hi, everyone.
Why saying hi only there? Say there are people everywhere. Come on.
Namaste.
Namaste. Namaste Mumbai.
Namaste, Mumbai.
Okay, so Isa, I want to ask you. We're here for the music launch, right? So, which was your favorite song in the film, which you enjoyed performing to the most?
I'm in love with all the songs, but my favorite song is Dil Aajkal.
So, we want to call on stage the one and only KK.
KK, sir. Can we
Yes.
have you on stage, sir?
Hi.
Woo! Come on, guys. Yeah, I think it's fine. Yeah.
So I get to meet the lovely lady here on stage. Hi. I wish I was a little taller though. And anyway, no hang-ups. You're looking lovely.
And you get to meet the two lovely ladlas also. You know? Yeah.
Hey man.
Yes.
All the best for this film, yeah?
Thank you so much. So we're going to leave the stage now. It's all yours, sir. All the best.
Sorry about this, sir.
तेरी आँखों के रास्ते ये चले जाता है जो बुलाऊं मैं कभी लौट आता नहीं बेखबर ये ज़माने से टकराता है बेधड़क मुझसे कहता है मैं हूँ यूं ही ये तुझसे ही मिलके हुआ है जो तेरी नजर ने छुआ है क्या तुम हो वही दिल आजकल मेरी सुनता नहीं दिल आजकल
Thank you so much. Thank
That
you.
was
Thank you.
absolutely super by the one and only KK.
इरोज के साथ बहुत पुराने रिलेशन है मेरे, और जितने भी मेरे हिट सॉन्ग है, सुबह होने ना दे, लॉन्ग ड्राइव पे चल, और मुझे भूल गए काफ़ी गाने, तो सारे इरोज के साथ ही मेरे हैं। रानी तू मैं राजा, बहुत सारे गाने जो मैंने इरोज के साथ करे हैं, और बड़ा लकी रहा हूँ मैं इनकी मूवीज़ के लिए, तुम्हारे लिए भी लकी रहूँगा, डोंट वरी।
थैंक यू सर, इंशाल्लाह जी।
सो तनुश्री को मैं बहुत बधाइयाँ देना चाहता हूँ कि बहुत अच्छी मूवी आपने बनाई है। अभी तक जितने भी उसके सॉन्ग्स मैंने देखे हैं, पिक्चराइजेशन देखी हैं, स्पेशली हीरोइन जो देखी है बहुत सुंदर है। तो मैंने इसमें एक गाना गाया है, आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल, और बहुत साल पहले जब 95 में मेरा एक गैंग होता था, उसका नाम था OCP, आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल पंजाबीज। एवरीबॉडी थोड़ा लाउड कर दो।
किस्मत दी अड़ियल तिजोरी नु खोलना, जो मैं जहदा में बिना से बोलना, दुनिया का में जो हसीना करांगे, अपनी ही शर्तां ते यारा जियांगे, एड़ी दे तले हसारा ज़माना, बिल्कुल के यारा को out of control, मुंडे मुंडे out of control, out of control, मुंडे मुंडे out of control.
That was truly special.
थैंक यू जी, और मेरी तरफ से बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
Thank you so much, sir.
थैंक यू सो मच
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Mika, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Moving on now. As you know, behind every successful man is a supremely talented woman who brings his compositions to life.
She's recorded remixes of songs by David Bowie, which was Let's Dance and In Excess, Afterglow.
She gained mainstream recognition with the groundbreaking show Satyamev Jayate, which I'm sure everyone watches on Sunday mornings.
She sang for Delhi Belly, Bedardi Raja, I Hate Love Stories, Bahara, Talash, Jia Lagena, and my personal favorite, Fukre Se, Ambar Zariya, Mundiya Mein
बेटे
Kachiya.
गाया बंद करो यार, don't sing यार.
अरे, I'm
Leave it to
sorry,
the
I got
pros.
carried
कितनी
away,
बार बताओ. Okay, let's welcome on stage the one and only Sona Mohapatra. Woo! She is the better half of Ram Sampath sir, and now she's here to give us her version of Dil Aajkal Unplugged.
Good evening, all of you. It's a pleasure to be here. And yes, spring and summer in the air, and I'm the lone feminine perspective in this beautiful love story. So I'd like to thank the team for turning this around, creating this beautiful song. ये बहुत शर्माते हैं, वही मेरे जो दिल हैं आगे। खड़े तो हो जाओ। है हुनर एक नया मुझको तुझसे मिला, मुस्कुरा के ये मिलता है सबसे अभी, आधी रातों में मुझको ये देता उठा, मुझसे पूछे
This journey could and would not have been possible if it was not for the captain of the ship, for the person who has brought all us troops together.
True.
So,
I agree with you. So can we have the director, the captain of the ship, Tanushree on stage, please? National award-winning director. National award-winning director.
I'm absolutely overwhelmed, and it's been an absolutely wonderful journey. And Ram has been a great, what should I say, companion, and absolute, like, I don't know what to say. He's given such lovely music, and for a debut director to have this kind of music in her film is an absolute honor.
तेरी मेरी तेरी यारी यारी
celebrate love and friendship this season. Catch all the latest from my movie Purani Jeans exclusively on erosnow.com before anywhere else.